To use a referral code on Fetch Rewards, start by downloading and installing the Fetch Rewards app from the App Store on your mobile device. Once installed, open the app and tap on the Sign Up option to create a new account. When prompted to enter your information, provide your name, email address, and password, and then tap on the Next button. On the following screen, you will be asked if you have a referral code. Tap on the Yes option and enter the referral code you have obtained from a friend or family member. Make sure to enter the code correctly, as it is case sensitive, and then tap on the Apply button. You will receive a confirmation message once the code has been successfully applied. After applying the referral code, complete the sign-up process by providing any additional required information. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will be logged into your new Fetch Rewards account. To verify that the referral code was applied correctly, navigate to the Rewards section of the app, where you should see the bonus points or rewards that you received for using the referral code. It is essential to note that referral codes are usually limited to new users only. So if you already have a Fetch Rewards account, you will not be able to use a referral code. Additionally, referral codes may have expiration dates, so it is crucial to use them before they expire. By following these steps, you can successfully use a referral code on Fetch Rewards and start earning rewards and cashback on your purchases. Remember to always read and follow the terms and conditions of the referral code to ensure that you receive the bonus points or rewards. Using a referral code on Fetch Rewards is a great way to maximize your rewards earnings, especially when combined with other rewards strategies. By taking advantage of referral codes and other promotions, you can earn more points and redeem them for gift cards, cash, or other rewards.